oleme igast uksest sisse, sest oleme uisutajad. Rullid uisutajad. See on meie lühikokkuvõte Saksamaa reisist.
When I woke up this morning, I realized I'd never be the same. When I woke up this morning, I found you lying next to me. Together we can be the perfect soulmate.
Malina, kus me lähme?
Ametlikud ringid. Mis me jääb sööma?
Sööma?
Peale sõitama. Enne või? Yes!
The sunshine, believe in the nighttime, believe that everything's gonna be alright. We believe.
Tere!
Tere! Kus me oleme? Ja mis me Saksamaal teeme?
Lähme Euroopa katele.
Yeah.
I don't like it, no, I love it. All out, turn the beat up. Hey, now I'm glad to meet you. I'll speak louder, let's get wild tonight. Billionaire bottles, we just down. I'm like, ain't no problem, all my wrongs are right. Alright, alright, I don't like it, I love it. I got another coming in my budget. I got an anaconda in my trophy. Don't push it, cause I'ma hit it till I jackpot. That's right, wax on, baby, wax off. Act right, we can put it on the black card. All night and I'll spend it, cause I don't like it. Boy, I don't like it, I love it. And the other girls, they can't touch it. Competition, that's a whole nother subject. I wanna walk it out in public. You a star, baby, just know. Let's go to the mansion or the condo. That's cool, perfect time, gotta let it flow. You know
Liitsu, kuidas kommenteerid?
Ma kommenteerin, et ma näen peale kohe. Tänane päev on siis olnud selline, me see ei ole raske, sõime ja pärast seda saime kohe kõikisi taas. Kell 8. Kell on praegu 12, 4 tundi on möödas. Enamusel on valmis, aga ikkagist nagu näete, tegevust käib. Sõdalusega ja elamus meil küll korristatud ja varsti hakkame kogunema ja nüüd on kogunemine, tšau.
Ja siin on helendid juuksed ja praegu mustad.
Liisa-Lotta, kõik on korras?
Kommenteeri meie esinemist.
Vähe oli. Hästi läks. Harju keskmine.
Lihtsalt rääkige, kuidas meil võistlustel läks. Mitmenda koha me saime?
Võitle Eesti, võitle! Võitle Eesti!
look me in the eye and say, right, I will die. Must I fight every bone in my body every time you're near? I will not grab you and take you away. For how long can you stay with a long ground? Everything that really sounds from both of our bodies. If it stays the same for too long, it will fade away. Take my hand and say that you don't feel what I feel, 'cause I see from your eyes that you do. And that's not right, even if it feels so. It's someone else's pride and I can't let go. If it stays the same for too long, it will fade away. But I won't wait until that day comes. If you don't make me move,